Essentially, we're trying to do a pressure test of our Kenya reactor vessel, so we've decided to get a waste 55-gallon drum and hook up a vacuum system to it. As you can see down here, this thing's capable of sucking about 25 inches of mercury at a time. And we're gonna regulate the amount of vacuum with this valve here, and you will see the pressure decrease constantly until it implodes. Almost getting up to 5. So.
Yeah. So, yeah, 5. Close to 10. Maybe 8 now.
We're up to 10.
Yeah, is that where you're supposed to be?
That's impressive. Alright, so should I keep going?
It's at 12. And what was the goal? The target, just to see how much?
10 was good.
Oh, that's good. You could say it's good.
Yeah.
Or you could always be a scientist and figure out how much it takes. I don't know.
It is a...
Oh, yeah, that was interesting.
Oh!
All right.